Alright guys, I'm back again and we're with the VXR again. Another problem. I'll quickly show you this. Check it out. So I've only driven a handful of times, a little bit of boost and things, and I don't know if the camera can pick it up. If I get the shadow out the way. The pulley's basically unwound itself and come loose. And yeah. So I've come in the garage, jacked it up. I'm going to take the, to do it properly I have to take the alternator mount off the back and take the pulley out. It's the only bolt I haven't done up on this, the head swap and things, so, or the head gasket change. So that bolt down there, I should have checked it, I should have probably Loctited it, but I didn't, so yeah, it's come loose only after a handful of drives. So that's the thing, I'm going to pull it out now. So I'll do that and I'll have a look once it's out. Okay, so that's it off. It's a little bit sad looking, but I think it can be fixed, cleaned up and worked. The back washer got a bit minced. But yeah. Bit of Loctite and clean it up. Should work, should be alright. But yeah, it's the only bolt, that only bolt I didn't do it myself, just as it came. Alright, so looks pretty good now. Took a couple of attempts to like panel beat that washer back, that star washer on the back there, because it was scraping as you turned it. Now it can turn, it's done up nice and tight, Loctite, and just cleaned up the pulley. It's got a little bit of a few like marks in there, like bits of plastic missing, but yeah. So fingers crossed it doesn't come undone again. So yeah, if it comes off again, then I'll be putting it back to the AC setup, because that was obviously trouble free. I don't want any trouble with this stuff, it's just annoying. Okay, so we're all mounted up now. Belt back on, everything ready. Just got my battery charging, because I had to drive it all the way home, about half an hour drive, obviously just on the battery only, so it went completely dead. And also for some of the guys asking about these brake pads, these orange stuff brake pads, what they do to the discs, that's how the discs look. It's pretty hard on the discs. And personally, the pads are okay, but I don't think they're anything amazing, they're nothing special. I haven't actually tracked the car with these on, but I haven't had any brake fade. They do take a little bit to warm up, like in the really cold weather. These you can definitely tell they're not standard, because they don't have much bite when they're from first starting off. But yeah, so anyway, I put the wheel on, go for another test drive. Alright, let's try it out. There you go. Okay. It's all right down there. Solid. Try again.